Hello, I'm back, and as I promised, I have finished the 120 rows on the scarf, and I am ready to reattach the stripe color and start doing the stripes. And remember, they will be in reverse order. Otherwise, if someone does come along who knows Morse code, they won't make any sense. So just grab the stripe color here. And tie it on with a square knot, just like before. And snug it up before you tighten the knot. Like so. And there we go. Now I'll just start doing the stripes, as I keep saying, in reverse order. And I'll see you in a while after I finish the stripes to show you how it looks, and then to finish up the scarf. So, see you then. Bye.